Hello, everybody. My name is Teacher Toby. Today we're going to talk about similes and metaphors. Are you ready? Let's go. Comparisons that make language come alive. All right. Our learning objectives are to define a simile and a metaphor, understand why writers use similes and metaphors, explore examples in poetry and literature, and create your own similes and metaphors. What is a simile? A simile is a comparison of two unlike things using like or as. Two quick examples. Her eyes shone like stars. The night was as black as coal. Why do writers use similes? To explain, they help readers understand an idea by comparing it with something familiar. To create feeling, they can express emotion and help set a mood and paint a picture. They make writing more vivid, memorable, and entertaining. Some examples using as. The paper is as light as a feather. The night was as black as coal. Like, her eyes shone like stars in the night sky. The trees are like a canopy over the road. Remember, if the comparison uses like or as, it is usually a simile. Simile in poetry, Robert Burns' A Red, Red Rose. An excerpt. Oh, my love's like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love's like a melody that's sweetly played in tune. Which one is it? Where's the simile? Like a red, red rose. Like a melody. Both comparisons use like. Similes in literature, Stephen Crane. A yellow patch like a rug laid for the feet of the coming sun. In The Red Badge of Courage. In Ernest Hemingway's The Sun Also Rises, the cafe was like a battleship stripped for action. And in Richard Henry Dana Jr.'s 2 Years Before the Mast, she is, as sailors say, like a lady's watch, always out of repair. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a comparison that says one thing is something else. It does not use like or as. Quick examples. Her laughter is a gentle song. She is not literally a song. The comparison suggests her laughter is beautiful and pleasant. Some metaphor examples. She is sunshine, brightening our day. A blank page is a playground for imagination. The melody is a balm to my soul. Metaphor in poetry, Carl Sandburg, fog. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. How it works. The fog is compared to a cat. The poem gives the fog quiet cat-like movement without using like or as. And in William Shakespeare, many metaphors are used. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. What does it mean? The world is not literally a stage. Shakespeare compares life to a play and people to actors, showing how everyone has roles, entrances, and exits. Simile versus metaphor. Simile uses like or as. Her smile is like sunshine. The clouds are as soft as cotton. Metaphor says one thing is another. Her smile is sunshine. The lake is a mirror. Okay, guys, which one is it? A simile or metaphor? Question 1. The field is a rainbow of colors. Metaphor? Yeah! Metaphor, the field is described as a rainbow. Next one, simile or metaphor. The trees are like a canopy Covering the road. Simile, correct. It uses the word like. Remember, simile, comparison using like or as. Metaphor says one thing is another. Both make writing more vivid and meaningful. And for your exit ticket, define a simile in your own words and give one example. And then define a metaphor in your own words and give one example. And what is the easiest clue for telling a simile from a metaphor? All right. We'll see you next time in class. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.